Hi guys, welcome back to Emma's Epic Activities. Today I'm going to be showing you a fun way to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First we need peanut butter, then we need jelly, we need a knife, a circle cutted cookie cutter, and 4 pieces of bread, one for me and one for my mom. First we're going to start off as cutting holes. So I just did one. I just did the other one. Now I'm doing the third one. And this is the fourth one. Now we're going to take 2 pieces of bread and put peanut butter on one side. We're going to spread it around when we get it on the bread. Okay, now we're still spreading the bread, and now we're going to do the jelly. Now we're going to fold them in together. I'll be right back with the second ingredient. Hi guys, we're back. Now we're going to put these 2 on top of each other. Now we're gonna do holes in them with our fork so the peanut butter and jelly don't fall out. Now we're going to do the second one. We're done. Now I'm going to taste one. These are delicious. I'm going to tell my mom to have one. Here, Mom.
Oh, wow, Emma, these are great. Thanks.
Like and subscribe down below.